Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to start page numbering from specific page in Google Docs. So I have this page and I want to start page numbering from this page. How I can do that? Just select the page which you want to start page numbering from. So in my case this is the page. I just have to select it, and once you select it, just go to insert option. Here you need to go for the option break, and here go to section break. Click there and it will automatically add the another page, and which we don't want, just hit backspace on your keyboard and it will automatically delete the extra page. And now we need to again click on the page from where we want to add our page number from. So this is the page I want to add page numbers from. I just have to click here, then go to insert again, and now here we need to go for page numbers now. And here you will find many format of page numbers are there. Whatever format you want to choose, you can just choose. In my case I will go for this format, so I just have to click there. And now here we need to uncheck this link to previous button. Click there, and here now we will go for option. Here click on page numbers and make sure it's selected on start at number 1. Once you sure about that, hit on apply. As you can see, our page numbering is now starting from the right page, and as you scroll up you will see it automatically added page number 1 and page number 2 to our unwanted pages. So I can easily delete that as well. Just select the page number and hit backspace to your keyboard, and then you will see it automatically gone, and it is now starting from 1 2 3 4 and 5. It is perfectly fine, and this is how you can add page numbers from specific page in Google Docs. So if this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.